We're going to use an algorithm to solve this problem, 24 times 52. So if I write this out, 24 times 52, what I'm going to do is I'm going to times, first of all, everything by the 2. So if I times 4 times 2 gives us 8, then 2 times 2 gives me 4. Now I'm going to times everything by the 5. Now we know that this value is actually 50. So I'm going to put a 0 there. And now I'm going to times 5 times 4, which gives me 20. So I put the 0 down. I'm going to carry the 2. Then I go 5 times 2, which is 10. And I need to add on the 2, which I've carried on, which gives me 12. And I'm going to add these. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 0 is 4, then I've got 2 and 1. So my answer is 1,248.